Hello everyone. Today myself Arvinder from SCC Bangalore. Today we are going to discuss about the annotated element interface. Introduction to annotated element interface. The annotated element interface is a part of the Java Reflection API. It provides methods to access annotations applied to a program element. This interface helps in processing annotations at runtime, enhancing metadata usage. Then, what is an annotation? An annotation is a form of metadata that provides data about a program. Annotations do not directly affect the code execution but can influence behavior. They are used for various purposes, including code analysis, documentation, and runtime processing. So here are some different difference between data annotations and data labeling. Overview of Java Reflection API. The Java Reflection API allows inspection and manipulation of classes, methods, and fields at runtime. It provides the ability to create objects, invoke methods, and access fields dynamically. Reflection is powerful but can introduce performance overhead and security issues. This is a reflection in Java. Java Reflection invoke method, get declare method, advantages and disadvantages of Java Reflection. Then what are the methods of annotated element interface? The main method include get annotations, get declared annotations, and is annotation present. Annotations returns all annotations present on the element. Is annotation present class extends annotation checks for a specific annotation's presence. Annotated their existence. Draw arrows to show related ideas, numbers, steps, list details, and many more. Using annotated element interface. The interface is typically used in conjunction with reference to process annotations. Developers retrieve annotations from classes, methods, and fields during runtime. This can facilitate various tasks such as configuration, validation, and dependency and injection. These are some advantages of annotated element interface. Then practical example of accessing annotations. Consider a Java class with annotations that define its behavior or properties. Using the annotated element interface, you can retrieve these annotations programmatically. This enables dynamic behavior based on the presence and values of annotations. Java long annotations annotation and it's go moves to the standard built-in annotation, custom annotations, and it's divided into general purpose annotations and meta annotations. Example is override support is a warning, so it is inherited documented. This is a practical example of accessing annotations. Limitations of annotated element interface. The interface only provides access to annotations at runtime, not during compile time. It does not enforce any restrictions on the validity or usage of annotations. Overuse of the reflection and annotations can lead to code that is harder to understand and maintain. This is the disadvantages of the annotated element interface. This is Java lang annotation, standard built annotation, and custom annotation. And standard built-in annotation divided into two types: general purpose annotation and meta annotation. Example override depicted in the for this inherited and documented. Performance considerations. Using reflection and the annotated element interface can introduce performance overhead. Accessing annotations is slower compared to direct code execution due to runtime checks. It's important to balance the benefits of flexibility with potential performance costs. Here the diagram that represents the process of reflection. You should know what, so what, and know what. What happened, description, facts. What did the experience mean? Interpretation, the feeling involved. What was the learned? What are the next steps? Seeing the bigger picture, applying the lessons learned, and planning the future action. This figure represents the process of reflection. And common use cases. Annotations are widely used in frameworks like Spring and Hibernate for configuration. They help in defining aspects such as transaction management and dependency injection. Other use cases include serialization, validation, and API documentation generation. And at last, conclusion and the best practices. The annotated element interface is a powerful tool for accessing metadata at runtime. Developers should use it judicially to maintain code clarity and performance. Understanding its capabilities can greatly enhance how applications leverage annotations. Feel free to expand any of these. And metadata management tools compared Halion, Caliber, Informative. These are some the conclusion and best practice of annotated element interface. Thank you.